Missing rice on keto? I've got a solution for you. Let's go. In this video, I'm showing you a recipe using hemp hearts as a keto rice substitute. So how did I come about this? A few weeks ago, I showed you keto orzo and how it can be used as rice, which sparked a discussion, and one of our subscribers, Caroline, sent me a recipe for a beautiful pilaf, and she got that recipe from Craig at Ruled Me. I know a lot of info, but there you have it. That's how we got there. Hi, I'm Val and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified of all our upcoming recipes. A little about this pilaf: it's got a few veggies in there for crunch and color, sliced almonds and some spices, and the hemp hearts end up spongy, just like rice. So yeah, in essence, I am recommending hemp hearts as a great rice substitute, and so does Caroline. So on behalf of all of us who end up trying this and love it, thank you, sweet Caroline. Nutrition information and your shopping list is in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. Over a medium heat, melt 3 teaspoons of butter, which equates to 12 grams. Then add 10 grams or 2 tablespoons of scallions, and 2 tablespoons or 15 grams of red bell pepper diced. Saute until softened, then remove from the pan. Next, add 12 grams of sliced almonds and 1.5 teaspoons or 4 grams of garlic powder. I'm just going to saute that for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then remove that from the pan as well. Now add 137 grams or 1 cup of hemp hearts or hemp seeds, and we're going to saute that and allow the remaining oils to soak up. I have here a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup at a time. Give it a taste and see if you need any salt and pepper. When all the broth has absorbed, reintroduce your nuts and your veggies. Mix to combine. Now turn off the heat. Add the pilaf to your serving plate. And I just want to show you this pilaf is beautifully soft. You won't be able to see it, but it's spongy and it's just like rice. And I'm serving mine with the side of steak. But you know, it's rice. You can have it with whatever you like. So now we have 2 great options, the keto orzo and hemp hearts, as great rice substitutes. If you get to try one of them, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.